Sitting a decani, and I'm in a chire, you ra. Na ato asante mai yom se ne offense so much so manyame maame
me so go say na person listen also ada me group na quality bi che wo na se be na be won ho there's one pay se be gonna need two form opa browa se ba da me group ko si shema no pepepepepepe ye kura so han fa nko no ne bi kura sako se be kodia se se ba no me group mo beto mo mo de kunya no mo di bi no opa no de akoto and then that's the time we did count the pass it now or never chill as I said abai no afana anche onto any must be santama hu a o de chill bi am or so as I imagine we say abrewa and everyone said what do we do the friend say
your friend no ajua afra no was custom yensa
so what do we do ana ajua afra no was custom yensa what do we do say the table said the Fanoa Irakano. Said the number be Nimu Baginsem. And Fanoa a bread and a coach says, Buniba said, young person the German on San Prono. What a big cute to us and a young Satua. Did you say him? Not only a funty, the Nafano also be a son. The way I sat in the referee. Always soon an anaya. As at Mama Elm, Makaba. I could do this. I have a top of it. That's not the man uncle so. You're so Makaba. It was a man.